Weapons. Finish watching Weapons. Some of us still waiting for the credits to end. I know. Me and some of them thinking that there will be a additional footages or additional scenes to be flashed up. But but there's no additional scenes, no credits. Anyway, it's okay. Oh gosh, 2 hours of scary moments, mind-blowing scenes, being puzzled, keep on guessing what could be happen next. You know what? They will put you on hold for the first 1 hour and 10 minutes. But before we proceed, I just wanna make some hi kuya. I'll just take a bit, okay? Shout out to each every one of you. I really love the movie. Hold on. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you give, for all the trials and challenges that you passed. Shout out to my mother, Miko Piaporto, to Helen Karen of Sunroca, the Gospel City. Each every one of you, to all my son and subscribers out there, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each every one of you. This movie is so great. Hold on. Ay, kuya, ha? Where we are. Let's proceed in here. There it is, Cinema 12. You know what? The movie doesn't have lots of scary factors, but your mind keep on guessing what could be the next scenes to be happen, and then you will feel nervous from the start. Hold on. Your heart keep on thumping, keep on you're just like a
Just my second slice pa.
what's this? You will feel terrified because the oh gosh, some kind of a fantastic one, and that's the reason why they are being like that. So my first guess is right. That should I tell you guys and girls what could be the story? I'll just give you a synopsis. As you can see on this poster, so please read it for yourselves, okay? Last night at 2:17 a.m. blah 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 blah. So they've been disappeared. So you might think why is it that they've been disappeared during that particular night? So it means to say that something happened to them, that they are being hypnotized or being what's this? So not hip, yeah. On that way, they are being what's this? Hold on.